Hey, would you like to know what this is? This is a 3D scanner. I also got a lot of printers over here. Would you like to follow on a really short tour? Really short, I promise. 100 seconds, okay? Let's go. So at 3D Verkstan we sell both scanners of different kinds. We also sell this very cool Finnish 3D printing machine that prints ultra polymers like PEEK and so on. That is used in food industry and in aerospace. We also got these very cool Markforged printers that prints nylon-based materials with carbon fiber in them. You can also print carbon fiber threads within the parts, so they get really, really strong. They also got a system which prints metals, like copper and stainless steel. We also sell these printers from Ultimaker. Ultimaker printers are really, really good if you want to be versatile and print loads of different materials with different properties and loads of different colors. They come in different sizes. We also sell these printers from Formlabs, and you usually use these to print really fine detail parts in small scale and big scale. And in this room we got another Formlabs printer. It's called the Fuse One. It's a SLS powder-based system, very efficient, very cheap, very easy to start up with. That was the tour. Thank you. I think that was how 100 was. Thank you.